Hello, everyone. Buongiorno. How are you today? Did you see the price of Bitcoin? So, hello, Legends. Welcome in Crypto Legends show. My name is CryptoBuck. I'm the super hyper mega super legends. And today we are going to talk about the price of Bitcoin. So, yesterday Bitcoin started this big candle. Yesterday was evening in Italy. This big candle. And if you can see in the daily, it was like a pump of $2,000. So yeah, from yesterday, the Bitcoin price pumped $2,000. That's a lot of profit. But but if you saw my previous video, nothing really changed for me and from my point of view about Bitcoin because we are still checking the price in the daily chart. So we still have this major resistance around $24,000. And yesterday in the daily, so a lot of traders didn't expect this because basically there is no support zone here in the daily, but it was an old support, like from the breakout of the cap with handle, in my opinion. And this was a lot of buy pressure here, looking too much. But nothing really changed, in my opinion, because we didn't retest the EMA 200 in the daily. So the Bitcoin price is still looking bearish, in my opinion, especially in the daily. But I was wrong because I didn't expect this move so fast. I expect this move earlier. So yeah, why I was wrong. Because here, if you can see in the 4 hour, there is a big support zone around 21,000 and was formed yesterday morning. And yeah, it was really fast because if you can see the lower time frame, we had the same support zone around 20,700. And also if I check in the 2 hour time frame, there is also the same. And yeah, I was wrong because I didn't expect this move so fast. And also I didn't expect this move last after these more dips, because these two dips was out from the bull flag, in my opinion. So basically, in my opinion, this was the bull flag. One higher, two higher, three high. And yeah, from here, I mean, this uptrend, I thought it could happen here, but it didn't, because we had another downtrend here, and after that this major pullback, this big bounce and this major pullback. So yeah, the movement of yesterday was really quick, and a lot of traders didn't expect this. I didn't expect this as well. I want to be honest with you. And yes, it was really fast. I expect this maybe earlier, like 1 or 2 days before. But yeah, it's okay, I mean. And also, if you can see here in the 4 hour time frame, we have this support level where the price of Bitcoin start turning So from here it started a bounce, as you can see, from this area around 20,700, and the price of Bitcoin today reached this level around 23,400, and yeah, basically entered in a smaller channel, because in my opinion now in the 4 hour entered in a smaller channel and is still waiting for a breakout. And this smaller channel, it has the resistance of $20,700, and it does yeah, this is the major support around $20,000. And it was formed yesterday because the price of Bitcoin started pump exactly from here, from 20,700, and pumped about $3,000 until the 23,500 region. But if we move closer here in the 4 hour time frame, there is a new resistance today. And also this is the liquidation leverage 32x. So what to expect from here? From here now, I expect a small pullback and a small downtrend. Also, let me check if we had the same resistance. So here in the three hour time frame, we had the same resistance. So this is the same resistance, and also this level is the liquidation of 33x. So yes, I expect a downtrend. And let me check also the 2 hour time frame. We have the same. It's smaller, but we have the same resistance around the $23,200. And let me check also in the 1 hour time frame if we have the same resistance. So in the 1 hour time frame, we have the same resistance around 22,200. So this is still where the EMA 200 is at the moment. It's here, this green line, really small. And yeah, I expect a small pullback until this area at the moment. So I expect to go somewhere like here around the 22,000 here. But what is important for me at the moment is the daily, because we didn't recover already, and this situation looks really bad, because if you see this chart, around the $17,000 we had the first dip, and then we have the second dip around $18,000, and then we start a bounce, and we went to the 24,000 region. But basically what happened here is really bad, because Bitcoin price faced this 24,000 resistance, and it started to pull back in this big downtrend channel. Okay, but here, if you can see here, there is no orange line, like for example here or here, there is no orange line. So yes, I didn't expect a movement like this, so a pullback and a bounce. Well, that's what happened yesterday, but I expect a continuation in a downtrend like this. And this could be really probable. I mean, there is nothing, because yeah. Also, I think that Bitcoin is like in a downtrend triangle like this. So what to expect now? I think a small pullback from $24,000. A small pullback. And yeah, Bitcoin in the daily, what is the problem is that Bitcoin in the daily didn't reach this retest this EMA. So basically, this is a big problem. Also, with the pump of yesterday, we didn't retest this EMA in the daily, and yeah, this is basically the worst scenario we can have at the moment, because I think that this is really could be one of the problem right now, because yeah, if we didn't retest this lane at the moment, I think that the price of Bitcoin could fall more. So basically, it could do something like this and go lower. And yeah, this is our problem at the moment, because we had this first support level, and this is the second support level, and after that, yeah, we start a bounce, but we didn't retest, never retest this EMA in the daily, so this could be really a problem. And also, if I check in the 4-hour time frame at the moment, after the bounce of yesterday, after the bounce from here, the 20,700 region, we are facing now this big resistance in the 4-hour. So I expect to have a small pullback, and also Bitcoin is still in this channel. So it's still from $90,000 to $24,000, and the range of the price of Bitcoin didn't change at all. So yeah, we have this smaller channel at the moment where Bitcoin is in between, and yeah, I expect to go a little bit lower from now. I expect to go a little bit lower, and yeah, to retest maybe the EMA in the 4-hour, something like this. Yeah, but in the daily, Bitcoin is not really good. I mean, I really hope for a downtrend and for a recovery around the 24,000 region, but it's not looking really good at the moment. And I think the Bitcoin price is facing this downtrend triangle, so it's really possible to go lower at the moment, because we still had this bigger resistance around the 24,000 region, and the last support zone was around 18,000. So we didn't. The problem is that we didn't retest this EMA. It was really important to retest this EMA, because this means a full recovery for the price of Bitcoin. So I think it will take more time. Maybe the price will go lower enough, lower, and then we can jump there. But for the moment, I don't see any positive, really positive uptrend information. Here there is no accumulation phase. Yeah, it means that the pump was really fast, and I cannot see any accumulation phase from here. And did you see how the price of Bitcoin pumped in 5 minutes yesterday? So in my opinion, there is still a low volume here, and this is another problem of this chart. So basically, yeah, I think that all this could be like a problem for the price of Bitcoin. So from here, I expect another leg down. Yeah, I expect another leg down. I want to stay positive. I want to retest this phase, but I think it's not possible at the moment, because we have to pump like 2,000 more. So from $23,000 again to $25,000, and this could be a really huge bump again. And also the Bitcoin price in the daily is facing this resistance, and the channel is like smaller right now. Maybe Bitcoin is waiting for a breakout, And yeah, the problem at the moment, what I think is that the volume is still really low, because if I share with you my other chart, the price went really down a lot. So if you can see this chart, the price went really down a lot, because we passed from $24,000 to 20,000 region, and now what to expect today is that that big resistance zone. So this is basically is the resistance that Bitcoin is facing at the moment. So from here, I expect it to go somewhere like here, to have yeah, a small pullback around the 22,000, 21 higher region. So yeah, basically what I'm expecting is something like this. And also what happened yesterday is not good for the price of Bitcoin, because we had no really volume. So the volume is really important, and I cannot see an uptrend information. So yeah, from what can I see, I mean the price of Bitcoin didn't have any strong uptrend. It's just a pump of like 1 hour, and I think this is just a tactic to fall to let people fall in FOMO. So this is not seriously. I cannot see a seriously uptrend. Also, if I check this in the daily, let me show you the other chart. In the daily, if I see the price of Bitcoin in the daily, it was like it looks like that the price of Bitcoin has no real volume, because if you can see, it looks like still waiting for a major movement. So if you can see here, the volume was really high during the slough before the capitulation of the Archery Bonds indicator, and also here the volume was really high when we had this second downtrend. But here, look, the price, the volume of the pump of yesterday was really low. So yeah, there is no intrinsic value here. Yes, because the volume is still look diminished. So yeah, I expect a major movement from here, because yeah, the volume was really low, and also the Archery Bonds indicator. Yeah, this means that the price could be on recovery, but it's still negative. So I didn't expect this bump at all. Yeah, I was wrong. I mean, another lesson learned. But we are here. We are here to learn together, bro. So another lesson learned. Yeah, I think all this is important. It's really important for understand the price of Bitcoin. But yeah, what to expect here is I think that the price in the daily could still move lower, and yeah, we are facing this major resistance around $23,000. So I think that the price of Bitcoin is still like in a triangle, in a descending triangle, like start here, and it's still like information. Yeah, something like this. So yeah, this is what I'm expecting right now about the price of Bitcoin. And yes, if you see, it's still in the triangle, and we had this major resistance here. So yes, I expect another big movement, and yeah, maybe in the downtrend, downside, something like this. Yeah, this is still possible because I told you the problem is still the daily until we don't pump until this EMA in the daily. This could be the problem. So we need to pump like $2,000 more from 23,000 region until the 25,000 region. And if this not happen, this could be the worst scenario about the Bitcoin price because we can still go lower. This we can still go lower. Yeah, I think this is just the pump was intentional, and this is just a move to let people fall in FOMO. So please, yeah, try to understand what is happening. Don't go over leverage. Don't do stupid things. I mean, the price is still good to buy and hold at like at spot. The price is still good to buy and hold because the all-time high about Bitcoin was around $60,000, and it fall down a lot, like $20,000. And yeah, I mean, this was a really big sell-off. But yeah, what to expect now is that the continuation of a downtrend, in my opinion, and also Bitcoin is not going really anywhere because we are facing this major resistance. And yeah, the situation basically didn't change at all. So the 24,000 and the 80,000 is still the range in the daily. And yeah, it didn't change at all because we have still this major resistance in the daily. So until we don't break out this resistance and we don't reach this mid lane, nothing will change. It's still the same. It's still the same situation. And otherwise, if we are not going to retest this EMA, the price of Bitcoin could fall down a lot, like here. Yeah, could have another leg down, and the continuation of the downtrend. Yeah, this is what I expect until we don't retest this EMA in the daily. Yeah, I expect to retest this EMA in the daily because yeah, this is really important for the recovery. Looks here how many days we are not going to retest this EMA. So this is what I expect about the price of Bitcoin. And let me check the price of Ethereum right now. Binance, yeah, Ethereum looks better because Ethereum in the daily chart, if you can see here, retested already the EMA in the daily. So this cross basically looks really better than Bitcoin price. And also if it is just at $1,600. So this is really good for the price of Ethereum in the daily. This is really good because yeah, Ethereum could have a major recovery, and yeah, maybe it could pump more. But if you can see in the daily, we had the same major resistance around $1,000 and 600. So yeah, there will be a major update right now for Ethereum. So basically, yes, the price could pump more. But yeah, the trading situation here looks better than Bitcoin because Ethereum already retested this EMA in the 200, yes, 200 EMA line. So this is really good, really good for the price of Ethereum. And yeah, looks really better than Bitcoin. Also, let me check Ripple. Binance. Okay, Ripple got the same situation in the daily of Bitcoin. We reached the overbought zone, but we didn't retest already the EMA 200 in the daily. So what to expect now is to find a resistance, and yeah, you can see it has the same resistance of Bitcoin. Yeah, here. So I expect a pullback, and maybe the price could go lower because yeah, it has this bigger resistance at the moment. So the trend could change again, and the price could go lower. So yeah, so don't do stupid things. Just buy Bitcoin at spot and just hold. Put on funding, put on staking, and just hold. This is my suggestion because yeah, if you go over leverage, if you don't use stop loss or take profit, the market could change really fast, and you could find some problem with trading, and you will lose your money. So my advice for now is just buy coins and buy bitcoins at spot, and don't do anything stupid. So put your bitcoin on funding, put your bitcoin on staking, and don't do anything anything at all. Go out, enjoy your life, do some other things, don't do nothing. And yeah, the Bitcoin price will recover once again, because what goes down will always goes up again. So the Bitcoin price will move again higher from here. But now we are still stuck in this channel. So from $23,000 until the $20,000, the price of Bitcoin is in this range, still waiting for a breakout. So yeah, don't do nothing at all. The price of Bitcoin was good to buy because the all-time high was $60,000, and now we passed from $60,000 to $20,000. So this is still good to buy and hold at spot. Yeah, this is really good to buy and hold. And yeah, what you can see from here today is that we have this major resistance around $23,000. So Bitcoin will have maybe a pullback to this EMA 200 in the 4-hour time frame. And yeah, I mean, don't do nothing stupid. Use stop loss, take profit. Always check the grid and fear indicator. And yeah, I mean, that's all for today. Thank you everyone for watching Crypto Legendz show. My name is CryptoBuck. I am the super hyper mega super legend. So thanks everyone, because we passed the 15,000 visualization in 1 week. 1 week, 15,000 visualization, and I see that the number of subscriber is still multiplying every day. So thank you very much everyone, guys. I'm super hyper mega super happy. Thank you for watching our Crypto Legendz show. My name is CryptoBuck. Follow me on social media, Twitter and Instagram especially. And the name of this channel is Crypto Legendz channel. So please subscribe to all our social media accounts. We are here live every day to show Bitcoin charts, indicator, trading ideas, and what do you want. If you want to join our live show and show your charts, you can always talk with me in direct message. Thank you everyone for watching. I really appreciate every one of you, and I really appreciate your support. And this is really important for me, guys, because yeah, the channel is growing every day, and I'm really having fun, and I'm super hyper mega happy, really. So thank you everyone, and thanks everyone for watching Crypto Legendz show. And yeah, stay tuned for the next update. So thanks everyone for checking our live show. Don't forget to subscribe to all our social media: Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and join the Telegram community. Okay? So for today it's all. Thanks everyone. Ciao, ciao crypto. Ciao, ciao, ciao. Ciao, ciao, ciao. Let's play some rock music. Bye bye. Ciao crypto. Ciao. Ciao. Ciao.